Hello there and welcome back. I'm Mark and this is Cozy English, your place to practice your English speaking and build your confidence, one episode at a time. Now, today I want to talk about something that honestly so many English learners go through. And look, if this has ever happened to you, I just want you to know straight away, you are absolutely not alone. You watch English films, you listen to podcasts, you understand nearly everything. And then someone actually speaks to you in English and suddenly your mind just goes blank. You open your mouth and nothing comes out. Nothing. Sound familiar? Yeah, don't worry. We're going to sort that out today. So, why does this happen? I mean, why can you understand English so well, but the moment you need to speak, it all just falls apart? Well, here's the thing. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. Listening builds comprehension, but speaking requires actual speaking practice. And those are not the same thing, not even close. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine someone says, I want to learn to drive. So they watch hours of driving videos. They listen to podcasts about road safety. They memorize every road sign, but they never actually sit in a car and drive. Then one day they get behind the wheel and they've got absolutely no idea what they're doing. Wait, where's the clutch? And you know, that's exactly what happens with English. You can spend years listening and understanding, but if you never practice speaking, you won't feel confident when it's time to open your mouth. It's just not going to happen on its own. And here's something really important. It's not because you're bad at English. It's not because you're slow or you're not trying hard enough. It's simply because you haven't been training the right skill. That's all it is. So that's where shadowing comes in. Shadowing is, I always say this, it's like going to the gym, but for your English speaking. You don't build muscle by watching someone else exercise, do you? You don't get fit by sitting in the gym scrolling on your phone. You build strength by actually doing the exercises yourself. And in English, the exercises are pretty simple. Listen, repeat, and repeat again. You're training your mouth, your rhythm, your confidence, all at the same time. That's what shadowing does. So today, I'd like you to actually practice with me. Don't just sit back and listen. Speak out loud. Say each sentence after me. That's how this works. You're not watching someone exercise. You're doing the workout yourself. Right then, here are your 20 sentences. Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and repeat each one out loud with me. I don't need perfect English to speak confidently. I freeze sometimes, but I'm learning to stay calm. I practice speaking in English even when I feel shy. I will speak even if my voice shakes a little. I'm training my speaking, not just my listening. Every sentence I say builds my confidence. I'm learning to speak without overthinking. I speak slowly, clearly, and with control. I don't stop because of mistakes. I keep going because my goal matters. I want to speak English in real conversations. I want to speak naturally at work and in interviews. I want to travel and speak without fear. I'm practicing so my mind won't go blank. I'm building fluency through daily practice. Practicing daily is how I improve fast. Today, I'm choosing progress, not perfection. I'm becoming more confident every day. My English is improving and I can feel it. I will keep practicing until speaking feels easy. And there we go. How did that feel? I genuinely hope you said those out loud, because even just doing that is real speaking practice. You used your voice. You formed the words. That's the workout right there. You know, I think one of the most important things I want you to take from today is this. It's not about being perfect. Not at all. Look at that sentence we practiced. I don't need perfect English to speak confidently. That one really stays with me actually, because it's true. Nobody, not even native speakers, speaks perfectly all the time. And another one I love. I freeze sometimes, but I'm learning to stay calm. That's such an honest thing to say, isn't it? Freezing doesn't mean failing. It just means you're still learning. And learning takes time and it takes practice. So the whole point of today is really this. Every sentence you say out loud, even a short one, even an imperfect one, it counts. It all adds up. And over time, speaking starts to feel less like a scary thing and more like just something you do. Well done for sticking with me today. Honestly, you showed up, you tried, and I hope you spoke out loud. That is real progress, and I mean that. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a real difference over time. Little and often. That's the key. I'm Mark, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing. You've got this.